Pasta perfection, unraveling the art of the ultimate recipe. Hey pasta lovers, welcome back to Daily Cooking Vlogs, the go-to place for delicious recipes and untold culinary secrets. I'm Daily Cooking Vlogs, and today we're diving into the world of pasta. Not just any pasta, but the ultimate pasta recipe that will make your taste buds dance. Get ready for a journey filled with untold facts and flavor-packed revelations. Pasta passion, let's kick things off with the heart and soul of any great pasta dish, the pasta itself. Did you know that choosing the right pasta can make or break your recipe? Today, we're not just cooking pasta, we're celebrating it. From the science behind pasta shapes to the untold stories of regional variations, prepare to be amazed by the world of pasta passion. Sauce Symphony. Now, let's talk about the symphony of flavors, that is the sauce. Join me as we unravel the secrets of creating the perfect sauce. We'll explore the untold magic of balancing acidity, sweetness, and richness. Get ready for a saucy journey through traditional recipes, modern twists, and a surprise ingredient that will elevate your sauce game. Al dente mysteries. The mysteries of achieving the perfect al dente texture. Ever wondered why it matters? Today, we're demystifying the art of cooking pasta to perfection. Uncover the secrets of water-to-salt ratios, boiling techniques, and the true meaning of al dente. Your pasta will never be the same again. Garnish galore. Get ready to turn your pasta dish into a visual masterpiece with our Garnish Galore segment. We'll explore fresh herbs, grated cheeses, and the untold power of a drizzle of high-quality olive oil. Learn how to make your pasta not only taste divine but also look like a work of art on the plate. The pasta ritual. Before we wrap things up, let's talk about the pasta ritual. Cooking is not just about ingredients, it's about love and connection. Discover the untold stories behind family recipes, pasta traditions, and the joy of sharing a meal with loved ones. The true magic of pasta goes beyond the plate. And there you have it, our ultimate pasta recipe filled with untold facts and culinary secrets. I hope you enjoyed this flavorful journey with me today. If you're as passionate about pasta as I am, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and share this video with fellow pasta enthusiasts. Until next time, keep cooking with love and savoring the flavors of life.